Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And welcome to Georgetown, Kentucky. Yeah, a quaint little community just outside of Lexington. Your question is, what's there to see and do here? Well, what do you say we take a look around? Historic Georgetown is one of the fastest growing towns in Kentucky, with a city population approaching 40,000. Of course, the region is known for horse farms and maybe bourbon, but trust me, there's so much more to Georgetown. In fact, it's the home to the largest auto manufacturing plant in the world, the Toyota plant. It covers over 9 million square feet, over 1,300 acres, and employs over 5,000 people. Now, you also have a beautiful and historic Georgetown College, along with, believe it or not, a Japanese garden. Now, the downtown area is brimming with business, and local shop owners are excited about the future.
Hi there, I'm Ann from Mamie's Fine Wine and Gifts in Georgetown, Kentucky. Georgetown is a fantastic place to visit. There is something for absolutely everyone. There are great restaurants, the people are absolutely beyond lovely, and the shops each focus on having different items to offer to everyone. So it's a great place to come and visit, and we'd love to see you soon.
In addition to all the cute shops around downtown, I need to mention, if you're there for lunch, be sure and visit the historic Favas Restaurant. It's been around since 1910, and they're serving up some great food in a terrific atmosphere where you'll likely run into some of the movers and shakers of Georgetown. As for weather, well, you can bank on all four seasons. January is the coldest month with an average daily high of 41, while July is the warmest at 86, and of course spring and fall, as expected, fall in between those ranges. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour of beautiful Georgetown, Kentucky. If you're ever in this part of the world, it's certainly worth a trip or a stop, maybe for a day, maybe overnight, or as we say sometimes, maybe you'll decide to stay a lifetime. Until we do see you that next time, keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, is Traveling with Jack and Pam. I also invite you to check out my podcast. That, of course, is Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Hey, you know what? Make it a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from beautiful Georgetown, Kentucky.